All right, this is before. You can see all those fence. There's a trampoline through there, and then that platform over there. Then we got all this over here. I'm by myself today. Got to clean up all this. And then out there, there's 1, 2, 3 more piles of stuff. All right, this is what it looks like after I picked up all that stuff. And then I picked up that pile over there. Gonna have my metal guy come pick up all the metal, hopefully. Got all that picked up. And I didn't show you guys what this area looked like. But we're not gonna be able to get all this because my trailer's already full, and he has more stuff inside the house that he wants me to take. But she wanted this recliner out of this pile. That's what my trailer looks like so far. Then I'm also gonna try to get this pool, which there's a lot of metal poles in there, so I'll probably separate that. But looks a lot better, but she's got a lot of loads left here.